Okay guys, Ando's back. I'm going to do a chicken scarpa yellow platter with some Italian sausage. Basically what we're doing here is cutting time. It's my day off and I don't really want to cook anything a la minute on the stove, so I'm just going to bake this for about 50 minutes utilizing this chicken that we pre-cooked. This was the par-cooked chicken video that I don't know if you saw that one, but check that out. And we're going to add a couple of sausage links to this. This is very simple. Alright, all we're going to do with this is drizzle this with olive oil, salt, pepper, some thyme, pop this in the oven. Okay, we'll add a little broth to our pan. I'm going to add a little roasted garlic seasoning to my vegetables. And the idea here is the chicken was poached. Bottom line, you can put this in the oven for 50 minutes with raw chicken and raw sausage and raw vegetables. And the chicken's going to be tough, and and the sausage will be cooked pretty much perfectly. But I've preheated my oven to 375 degrees, and that's it. Bottom line, I have 2 ears of corn, 2 potatoes, about a dozen Brussels sprouts, 2 onions, and 2 pieces of sausage and 4 chicken legs. We're going to check this out. I'm going to put it in the oven for 50 minutes, and we'll check it out and see how it looks. Okay guys, Endo's back. It's been 1 hour. Let's check this Scarpa out. It's looking good so far. What do you think? Looks like we got nicely brown corn and some golden on that sausage. And if your vegetables, if you like them roasted more, leave them in the oven. It's up to you. There is no specific time, but these are pretty much, oh yeah, that chicken's falling off the bone. Potatoes are tender. Brussels sprout, looking good. But what we're going to do now is just turn this down to 140 degrees and hold it. Which is another nice thing about this is I can pop this back in the oven. My wife weren't home yet, or vice versa, significant other. You can leave this in the oven for another hour or so on 140 degrees. Just let it sit there, and I'm going to show you how to finish this thing up. Just took this out of the oven and it's looking really good. I mean, this sausage is nice and golden. The chicken is falling off the bone. We have roast corn in there, Brussels sprouts. Potatoes are awesomely tender. And some roast onion in there. But what we're going to do is plate this. And I'm going to make a little roasted garlic and soy sauce for it, believe it or not. I know what you're thinking, soy. Try this at home. You're going to love it. It's looking really good. What I've done is gone ahead and plated this. As you can see, our chicken is looking good. It's nice and falling off the bone. This thing is nice and just tender. You'll see in a minute. And the sausage is nice and golden. Put a little bit of potato, little caramelized onion in the bottom of the pan, and these oven roasted, which all of this was oven roasted, Brussels sprouts. It looks really good. And what we're going to do in this pan, mushrooms, garlic, quartered creminis, and about 5 cloves of garlic right in a hot pan. And this really doesn't take too long. What I'm going to do is make a roasted garlic oil that's going to go right over this chicken. Something a little different, soy sauce. Got our mushrooms in the pan, a little garlic, olive oil, looking good, smells great. Garlic and olive oil. Those mushrooms soak up a lot of oil, so we'll put a little bit more. Hit this with some cracked black, peppermill. I want to be shy on the cracked black. Then we're going to hit it. Kosher salt. As soon as we get a little color on this, oh yeah, soy sauce. Now check this out. And we'll add a little chicken stock to this. As you can see, the colors are nice. Crank that heat up just a hair. And look at this dish. You have the sausage, chicken, corn, potato, Brussels sprouts, onion. It's going to be delicious. Again, if you wanted to do this with lamb, chicken breast, anything you want to do. Duck. Just quick and simple. And this is very light. I'm just going to take that as soon as my garlic gets a little more color on it. Give it 1 second. one I have here is a little chicken broth I had in the fridge. I always keep my chicken stock or broth, put it in a glass, pop it in the fridge. Now I'm going to deglaze this pan real quick with a soy sauce. Watch the color of these mushrooms. Just pick this up and soak it up. It's a beautiful thing. You can smell that. It just smells delicious. And we're going to just reduce this just a hair and add a little chicken stock to it. And that's basically our sauce. Now if you wanted to add tarragon, dry herbs, fresh herbs at this point, I just like the soy. Just be careful not to add too much salt because the soy is salty. But that's all you're going to do. That roast garlic, bring that down a little bit. We're going to spoon it over our chicken and our sausage, potatoes. Oh, that smells so good. Alright, check this out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's right on the plate. Freshly sauteed mushrooms. Get that off there. Check it out. Scarpa yellow. It's a delicious dish. Hope you enjoy.